Ways to help the elderly in your neighborhood. Supporting seniors in your area is one of the most meaningful ways to give back and build a stronger, more compassionate community. As people age, they may face challenges with mobility, isolation, or everyday tasks, and even small gestures can make a big difference. If you're looking for ways to help the elderly in your neighborhood, there are plenty of thoughtful and practical approaches you can take to brighten their days and improve their quality of life. Offer to run errands. One of the simplest ways to help the elderly is by offering to pick up groceries, medications, or household essentials. Many seniors no longer drive or may find it difficult to get around, especially in bad weather. A quick trip to the store for them could ease a lot of stress. Check in regularly. Loneliness is a common issue among the elderly. A friendly phone call, a short visit, or even a handwritten letter can mean the world. Setting aside time to chat or listen can help seniors feel seen, valued, and connected. Help with household tasks. Assisting with yard work, small home repairs, or seasonal chores like raking leaves or shoveling snow is another one of the impactful ways to help the elderly. These tasks can be physically demanding for older individuals, and your help can ensure their home remains safe and comfortable. Organize a donation drive. Gathering gently used items like coats, blankets, non-perishable food, or medical supplies through a donation drive can support elderly neighbors in need. Partnering with local organizations or senior centers can help ensure donations reach the people who need them most. Provide tech support. Technology can be intimidating for those who didn't grow up with it. Offering to help set up a smartphone, teach video calling, or guide them through online banking can empower seniors to stay connected and independent. Volunteer with local services. Look for opportunities to volunteer at local senior centers, meal delivery programs, or health clinics. Many communities have initiatives in place to support aging residents, and your time and energy could be just what they need to keep things running smoothly. Honor veterans. If there are elderly veterans in your area, a simple act of recognition to honor veterans in your community, like delivering a thank you card, helping with a home project, or inviting them to a community event, can go a long way in showing appreciation for their service. Ultimately, the most important thing is to lead with kindness and empathy. The best ways to help the elderly are often the simplest, offering time, attention, and support in whatever way you can. Whether it's through conversation, service, or small acts of care, your efforts can create a ripple effect of warmth and connection in your neighborhood.